Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have another NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 4. We have Kevin Harvick's Mobil 1 Next Gen car. Is the back of the box. Let's get Kevin Harvick out of the box. So here we have obviously his name, the classic Mobil 1 logo, the number 4, and now the Pegasus horse, which is the symbol for Mobil 1 that has been on NASCAR for many years ago with Jeremy Mayfield. Sam Horse Jr. had the Pegasus on their car, and now is returned to Kevin Harvick's car. Or one of the few Mobil 1 cars in this year. So here is Kevin Harvick's car. So you probably saw Kevin Harvick's car, as now he's gone back with the original white and black scheme like the Mobil 1s always had. Back in 2014, he drove a Mobil 1 car that was black and white and black, So obviously there's the blue Classic 4 with the white border. With a red border, Here's the side. So the 4 is moved to make room for the Pegasus horse. And for sponsor Mobil 1, there's gear wrench. White hood with the new Mustang front. One exhaust system. The Mobil 1, obviously this is a little different in the back. Usually the other Mobil 1 logos will have a red O and blue letters. On the back, it's just a red O with white letters around it. So I'll give you a 360 view of Kevin Harvick. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon, later this week, with more new NASCAR Next Gens. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.